In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Ftd2xx.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to know is the system type of our Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then simply open a browser. Search for Visual C++ redistributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the download link corresponding to your system type. Click on the folder icon once it has been downloaded. Double click. Simply check this box, I agree to the license terms and conditions, and click on install to simply install the Visual C++ on your Windows 11. The next method is after installing the Visual C++, just also restart your Windows by right-clicking at the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Next method, also update your Windows. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here to check for, download, and install the latest updates that your Windows needs. So that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.